Today's topic, squatted trucks and SUVs. First off, I'm not here to tell anyone what they can and can't do with their trucks and SUVs. You want to lower it, slam it, rake it, lift it, squat it, I don't care. I ain't here to tell you what to do. You do you. However, that being said, that doesn't mean that I'm not going to talk about it and make fun of it. I mean, really, who thought jacking up the front end and then slamming the back end was a good idea? You jack it up so high in the front, you can't even see what's right in front of you. It's dangerous to the other vehicles on the road. Did they slam the back so that all the trash and everything slides to the back so that you can open the tailgate and let it all fall out? On second thought, some of these trucks are so tall that that's not actually a bad thing. Then there's the actual real concerns that these squatted trucks and SUVs have to think about. Do they even realize that they are potentially doing permanent damage to the engine and transmission of the vehicle? Do they even really care? I personally would, because I buy vehicles with the intent to pay them off and keep them for a long time. So I'd be worried about the oil starvation that squatting these trucks and SUVs does to the engine's front cylinders, because of the angle the oil is having to be pumped at. These engines were not designed to be run at an angle for an extended period of time. Same goes for the transmission. Squatting the vehicle causes the transmission fluid to pool at the tail of the transmission away from all the vital gears and components that run the transmission, which causes premature wear and tear, and even in some cases, failures. There's also the legal concerns that come along with having a squatted vehicle. In some states, like North Carolina, where it's rumored that these squatted trucks trend started out, laws have been passed and enacted that bans squatted vehicles and has leveled penalties for violators, which includes $100 fines and even as much as suspension of a driver's license for repeat offenses for up to a year. My final thoughts. I don't agree with squatting trucks and SUVs, but it's not my vehicle, so it's not my choice or problem. So if you want to squat your truck and SUV, and it's legal in your area and you can accept the risks of doing it, go ahead and do your thing. I'll just be over here doing my thing.